Tell me it's the last time. I've heard that before. I'm begging you to put it down. You don't need any more. I've cried a tear for every promise that you break. I'm asking you now, what's it gonna take? 'Cause it's me against the bottle, and I'm losing every time. You say it's just a few, 3 turns into 9. Baby, I don't wanna leave, but what choice do I have? I'm losing to the bottle, and I won't compete with that.
What we represent as Sober Souls is any kind of addiction you may have, we're here to help.
It's my pleasure today to present an award. We have a booth over here that says Sober Souls. Sober Souls MC is a huge, huge supporter for the Hornbuckle Foundation. We owe our startup, and we have a lot of gratitude for these gentlemen. And one gentleman in particular, God rest his soul, died about 2 months ago by the name of Big Mike. Big Mike was probably about the most humble man that I ever met in my life. He didn't have much, but what he had was yours. And he would sit with you until the wee early times of the morning. He did with me. The guy that knew when you were struggling and knew when you needed support. So yeah, this is an honor to give this award. Surrounded by recovery, in the name of Big Mike, and kind of well, actually, where our main support comes from is the women of Sober Souls. So we're going to go with this award this year is a Recovery Community Beacon Women of Sober Souls from PCA of Colorado, the Women of Sober Souls. Can I get somebody to come up and represent this award?
Thank you. Thank you, Tomas. Gotta get close to it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I know the other ladies are really going to be appreciative. Mike was an amazing man, and it's hard every day without him. But what he started is amazing, and as long as we can keep his name and legacy alive in recovery, and I know he's looking down right now, and I'm very proud of everything and the turnout today. So thank you very much.
My name's Matt Butler. Thanks for having me here today. What's up? I think I am